Hey guys, I Riyade Varshney from Delhi Technological University feels fortunate enough to be mentee at Microsoft Engagement Mentorship Program. Talking about my project that is Microsoft Clone, I would like to tell you the tech stack that I have used. So, firstly, it's WebRTC along with Peer.js for video and audio streaming. Then it's Node.js for my backend, React and Socket.io for enabling both-sided communication, and MongoDB for my database.
For agile methodology, I properly planned out things, kept product backlog, maintained a sprint burn down and product burn down, and adopted the concepts of relative estimation and velocity.
So, firstly, you will be seeing a sign up page where you need to add your Gmail ID, your username, name, password, and after successful sign up, you will be able to log in the correct credentials. After doing so, you will be directed to home page. And here you go. So now here you can see there are two buttons, that is schedule new meeting or enter an existing one. At the bottom of the page, one can discover the main features of my web app. First one is video conferencing, which enables two or more than two users to do audio or video calls with each other. Next comes the real-time chat system where users can interact with their peers during the meet, after the meet, and before the meet. Third one is screen recording, and fourth one is screen sharing. Let's discuss more about them after scheduling the meet. So now after scheduling it, firstly I can set my video and audio settings, and after that clicking on the green button I will be able to join the meet. Here you can see the number of participants becomes 1. Now here you can see after clicking on share meeting link, it is showing me a pop-up where I am able to see the URL which could be used for joining the meet, and using this Karan and Vanshika have joined the meet. So now we can discover other features after seeing that number of participants have now become 3. Screen recording function, we have already discussed about it. So screen recording, which enable after clicking on it, it will enable me to record the meeting, and once I click on it, the stop recording button, it will stop recording and the video file will get automatically downloaded on my system. Next comes the screen sharing feature, which is a very important feature. So when I click on it, it is showing me 3 options. I will be choosing share tab. So when I click on it, you can see I'm easily able to share my screen. Now let's just stop sharing the screen. Just in case if you want to view a particular user in a larger view, I can click on it and zoom in their video. Now let's discover the chat feature. So if I'm writing some text in a chat box, so you can see that on Karan's window, there's a pop-up or notification coming over there. So he will be able to check the message and vice versa. And in this manner, I have integrated the chat system in my Microsoft Teams clone. So this was all about the video part. Now let's just leave the meeting. So I'm clicking on this leave meeting button, and here we have exited the meeting. Now comes the chat feature. So when I'm clicking on this chat feature, now it will direct me to a portal where I can see all the team channels that I have joined, and I can have a track record of my chat history. So here you can see all the photos that has been shared in that particular channel. Now you can see that Karan and I are able to interact with each other by sending messages to each other. Now I can create new channel as well. I can add participants into that, and I can even add more users to the Teams channel. So this is all about the chat system. So this was all about my project, and for the entire description of how I have done that and what other features are there in my web app, I have given a detailed description of it in my GitHub repository. Please have a look on it. Thank you.